cause I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma check it like let them in. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate it, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element, yeah. Say you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my brain, watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Been ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them with their hand and crypto, learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to throw something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma check it like let them in. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate it, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element, yeah. Say you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my brain, watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. my self-esteem getting better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them with their hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities that never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship. I'ma check it like let them in. Y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate it, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my brain. Watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The clutch down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my. Yeah. Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my being ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem getting better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them with their hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities that never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship. I'ma check it like let them in. Y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate it, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my brain. Watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The clutch down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground then it go off, yeah, hit the ground then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground then it go off, yeah, hit the ground then it go off, yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chill, yeah. Ran through everything in front of me, might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda, ain't inspired to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them with their hand and crypto, learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them, this is my ship, I'ma check it like let them in, y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started to chain, the cycle is heaven, said this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit, I'm a big bull in this element, yeah, said you gon' pull up then settle it, yeah, I've been married to this hustle, this is my brain, watch out, step in it, yeah, and I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here, watch out, touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch, everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now, have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that, big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that, work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground then it go off, yeah, hit the ground then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground then it go off, yeah, hit the ground then it go off, yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chill, yeah. Ran through everything in front of me, might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda, ain't inspired to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them with their hand and crypto, learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting out settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my brain. Watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got it, y'all, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my yeah. Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Ain't inspired to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them in their hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you pay attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, but I'm better than him. This is my shit. I'ma check it like let 'em in. Y'all but not let 'em in. They gon' rotate it, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven, and this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element, yeah. Say you gon' pull up and settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my brain. Watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got it, y'all, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my yeah.
Yeah, at the top of the class on the road, hey, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know, yeah, maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, yeah, on the road, here we go, here we go, here we go, on the road, here we go, here we go.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Can You Guys Hear Me? I do not see. Oh, you guys can hear me. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream. Guys, I got to redo that intro. I'll be right back.
Here we go, yeah, at the top of the class on the road, hey, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know, yeah, maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, yeah, on the road, here we go, here we go.
is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right after ATB. I have a feeling my ATB crew is in the chat right now, guys. We got 500 people concurrently watching this live stream. Don't forget to smash that like button. Every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on that wheel of pain and pleasure where we will be doing a crazy giveaway, guys. We will be giving away some of these Frankie Candles hats. And shout out to Mr. Redbeard, got his ledger that he won from the other week. And he said he liked the ledger, but he was more excited about the handwritten card that I put in there. And I said, I didn't know, because, yeah, anyone who wins a giveaway, I write a little note for you guys. And one of them actually even got a real-life black coffee stain on their card, and I circled it, and I think I said Aztecian Cactus Moss Water, or maybe just black coffee. I don't know, guys, but welcome in. Thank you all for tuning in. I do appreciate every single one of you guys, and baby, do we have a stream for you guys tonight. Bitcoin is doing some things, guys. We are getting that move up, and yeah, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, checking those key levels that you need to watch in order to be ready for your next trade. We're taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at some of those altcoins. Maybe we'll check in on some trades. And yeah, it's going to be a good time, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Again, if you want to win some of these free Frankie Candles hats, we'll also be giving away a bunch of crypto. And yeah, shout out. Okay, so we did put a poll in chat trying to see who would come to Atlanta for a meetup, or really just trying to figure out who's close enough to come to Atlanta. We're going to try that. If we could get enough people to kind of get together in Atlanta, maybe we will do a Frankie Candles meetup. If we can't get enough people, we'll just have to wait for a Bit Squad meetup so we can come to you guys, and I will be there. It'll be a good time, and worst case scenario, guys, we'll hang out on the Pluto Alliance cruise. We'll have to change it to Pluto Alliance Bit Squad CandleMafia cruise. That would be lit, guys. Wearing the Bitcoin shirt. This is not a piece of merch, guys. This is just some, I think a fan sent this to us. Super loud Bitcoin sweatshirt. But guys, thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Before we jump into the charts, guys, let's go ahead and say what's up to the Candle Mafia. I see you guys going absolutely, let's go, old man Bitcoin. Shout out to Nomad Dad. Who else we got in here? D. Henley, what is going on, man? We got Dale Russell says, smashed it, bro. I think he's talking about the like button. Let's see. Crypto 420 says ATB. What is going on? Shout out to the ATB crew out there. We're about to jump deep into the charts. I'm going to be showing you guys the key levels you need to be watching if you're looking to get into some trades. And I'm going to let you guys know if I'm leaning bearish or leaning bullish. Are we going to get that longer-term move to the upside like we've been talking about on the show for quite some time now? Or do we have another move to the downside before we get another move up? I'm going to fill you guys in. I'm going to let you know what I think. Shout out to Dave Digital. Frankie, ATB, to have a heat stroke. About to have a heat stroke. Maybe with the sweatshirt on. It's actually chilly in the Frankie Candle studio tonight. We got DJ Dennis in here. What is going on, man? Thank you for being here. Tim Woodgate, what is going on? Says spank monkey and call me a sausage. You dirty little sausage. Shout out to Tim Woodgate. Sam Rose, what is going on? Frankie is a homie. Shout out to Sam Rose. Does anybody remember those little homies that you get in the 50-cent machine? I had hundreds of those things. Let's see who else we got in here. Shout out to Clinton Query. Give me a date and I'll be there. Shout out to Clinton, man. I appreciate all the support that you show, man. And yeah, I got to check my DMs. I saw you. We'll see. I'll check that DM. Maybe we could hop on a game at Apex or something. Shout out to Patrick. Also, guys, don't forget, tomorrow, I do believe that Hit Gaming will be doing a live stream. I told them that I would join them, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. But definitely go check them out tomorrow. They're going to be watching some kind of video game announcement or awards or something like that. Shout out to D. Henley. Thank you for being here, man. Let's see. Chemistry, bro. As always, I'm freezing. Haha. Cold AF in my office. I wish I was in your spot, man. I am already sweating. The abs are already burning from me screaming into the microphone as I do every single live stream. Shout out to Rick. Shout out to Jessica. Oh, no. Jessica's back in chat, guys. Don't tell Mrs. Candles. Mrs. Candles doesn't like anyone else to have the same name as her. Shout out to Tony D with the $2 super chat. Says, when Bitcoin hoodie for Tony. Hey, Tony, you could have the one right off my back. Shout out to Tony D. I appreciate you, brother. Wick, what is going on? Thank you for being here, man. We got Crypto, Gangsta, what is going on? DeClub NFT, and Grim the Reaper. Thank you for being here. Shout out to all our mods. Crypto Billy, Rob the Crypto Snob, D Petty Crypto, Tyler Jordan, Captain Kirk, Tony D. I probably forgot one. I say them so fast. Crypto Anon, if he's in here. Shout out to all the mods, guys. They make my life so much easier. Please show some love to them in chat. And without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show my screen here so we can take a look at the charts. However, I didn't test this. I wanted to throw that different waiting room up with that new music, but I did not set up the OBS. Usually we use vMix. Now we're using OBS. I hope I don't show all my seed phrases. I don't know. I don't know what screen is going to show. Hopefully it's TradingView. Let's see. Okay, thank God. That was a little shady. So here we are, guys, on the Bitcoin 1-minute chart. I'm just kidding. Let's go ahead and take our TA off here. And I just want to break down a little bit. Guys, also shout out to anybody who was in Blockchain Basement today. I was sitting in the middle. I was sitting in the middle of the couch, so I didn't really have a microphone. I had a microphone over here, microphone over there, but couldn't really talk. Everyone was like, "Oh my God, Frankie's so quiet." Yeah, I was in like a really weird spot. But yeah. Anyway, shout out to everybody in there, guys. Go follow Blockchain Basement on Twitch and YouTube if you are not already. I want to say it's TJ's channel. I don't really even know I guess it's TJ's channel. Guys, let's get those subs up. He said he's coming for my spot. He wants to surpass Frankie Candles. And I have to say, guys, TJ gave me the opportunity to have my own channel. So we got to support TJ. And if he passes us, it's all cheers for him, man. So go follow Blockchain Basement, guys. Let's get TJ subs up. I'm sure Blockchain Basement will pass us. TJ was already famous before they made that channel anyway. So let's get him up there, guys. Shout out to TJ. He's awesome. Anybody who has never had a chance to meet TJ or Ben, both amazing people, guys. Anyway, let's see. Stop leaving all your seed phrases in Notepad on the screen. Shout out to Nomad Dad. I think that might be where all my Ethereum went. Maybe Nomad Dad has it. But guys, let's go ahead and continue on here. You can shout out to Rose Reynolds says, do you come out with your long-term holds for the next bull run? I guess you're saying, like, will I let you guys know? Yeah, absolutely. We're going to be making a lot of pre-records about that. I'm going to do like a portfolio style video. Maybe we'll do like a 10 to 100K challenge, or, you know, whatever it is, whatever you guys want to see. Maybe it's 1,000 to 10K. Maybe it's 5 to 20. Whatever it is, we're going to do some portfolio videos, set up some DCA bots, and I'm going to let you guys know everything I'm DCAing into, and we'll have a portfolio so you guys can follow along, and it's going to be a good time. So absolutely, we will definitely do that. And Tony D says, you can have the one off my back. Man's acting like I'm not 200 pounds heavier than him. Okay, guys, let's jump back into the chart. Shout out to Tony D. You got me dying over here, bro. Okay, guys, so as you know, if you watch the channel, you will know we have been looking out for these higher daily time frames and the weekly, showing some bull divs, and not only the weekly, but also the 2-week. We have these lower lows with our higher lows on the momentum waves, or, you know, depending on what indicator you're using. You know, we do have bullish divergences not only on the 2-week, but we also have it on the weekly. Now, I will bring this up. There is a little bit of a caveat. We do have that yellow X, which typically does mean some manipulation to the downside. However, the last time we did get one of these yellow X's on the 2-week, the bottom was actually already in. So we did come down a little bit. It did bring us down, but could have been similar to this one, right? Popped up. I guess that we did get a green candle there. But yeah, just something to remember. Doesn't necessarily mean we're going to zero. But, you know, that last one did pop up after the bottom was already in. But you just want to remember that. These are typically pretty bearish. And on a high time frame like the 2-week, you just want to know it's there. But other than that, guys, 2-week bullish divergence as well. Higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, right? Another caveat here on the bear end would be money flow, right? So if this bull dip plays out, we could get a pop to the upside, but that money flow is still overall bearish. And if you compare it, you know, the one thing is, if you compare it to the previous bear market, we had money flow coming out. We got this big pump up, and then we had money flow crossover into the red, and then we had that, you know, March 2020 event happen. I think you guys know what happened then. We got into the red and then finally crossed into the blue before the parabolic bull run. So money flow overall pretty bearish on the 2-week, but you do have that bull div, which is likely to give us some form of a move. Same thing on the weekly. Bullish divergence is printing. If this confirms, guys, if these bullish divergences confirm, it could be big. This could be where we get that move to the upside. Obviously, we're in a bear market, so sometimes the bullish setups get stepped on. Oh, Hit Gaming stream is actually tonight. Okay, guys, we will try to raid that stream. We will try to raid that stream for sure. I got to figure out how to do that. I'm going to try, though. But I thought that was tomorrow. That might be my fault. Anyway, yeah, green dot printing on your weekly, giving you that bullish divergence. If this confirms, guys, this could give us a move to the upside. Again, bear market, bullish setups can get stepped on, but it is very, very unlikely that this is not going to give us any move whatsoever. It's not even confirmed, and we're already getting a green weekly candle. Obviously, that can change. We have 3 days and 2 hours to print that new candle. 6-day bull div also confirming. All these higher daily time frames do have bullish divergences. The one thing, this doesn't mean that they're all invalidated necessarily. This doesn't invalidate the weekly bull div or the 2-week bull div. However, if you come to the 4-day and the 3-day and the 2-day, your 2-day is actually looking to print a red dot, and your money flow is actually coming out pretty aggressively. Now, that can change, but just something to remember, right? Kind of indicating that, the weekly and the 2-week, guys, something I want to talk about is the weekly and the 2-week can take time to play out, right? We could easily get a 2-day red dot and come down a bit, get a little bit of a dump before that weekly and the 2-week plays out, as long as we don't dump down enough to invalidate the weekly or the 2-week. But this 2-day is rolling over to the downside with your VWAP, and that money flow is actually coming out pretty aggressively. So that is something to watch. However, those weekly bullish divergences, guys, I'm pretty excited to see what happens with these. But you guys know, either way, whether it plays out or doesn't, we're making money in either direction. But moving on, guys, obviously we have seen a move to the upside. We were talking about this last night on the live stream and in the premium Discord. And I think we were talking about it in the free Discord as well, potentially. I don't even know, guys. Today was a crazy day. I did so many live streams. I did the morning stream with Ben, only a part of it. And then I did Blockchain Basement. And then between the 2 Discords and then my live stream, and I did a pre-record, guys. I don't know how I'm still breathing. But so kind of lose track of what I put where. I'm going to have to restructure my schedule here with 2 Discords now. Because you guys know I'm in that free Discord too. I told you that free Discord will remain the same. Just because we have a premium Discord does not mean that free Discord's not getting any sauce. You guys are still getting the sauce. And if you're in there, you'll know that for a fact. Let's see. We did talk about, I think it was in the premium Discord, we were talking about that potential move to the upside, not only last night, I think we were talking about on the stream too, but we were talking about this potential move to the upside that we might get, and because we were getting that green dot on the 4-hour. I was letting you guys know the next move to the upside may be on that green dot on the 4-hour. And, that's what we got. Basically, almost, right after that green dot, we did get a move to the upside. And then, that is a nice little pop to the upside. But moving on here, looking at our daily, obviously, look at that. The daily is turning back around, giving us that VWAP flip where it comes down, prints that red dot, and then immediately prints a green dot right after. This could be a bullish sign, guys, and looking at the money flow curving back to the upside, guys, we could be on our way to get a little bit of a pump, and we're going to talk about some levels in just a second. But moving on, looking at your 16-hour green dot, your 12-hour green dot, 8-hour green dot, good God, money flow on the higher 8-hour money flow looking pretty good, guys. We might be ready for a move here. And we're going to talk about specifics as well, because there is a case to come down a little bit before we go back up, but we will talk about that in just a minute. Let's see. Continue Mood has been in this long, and it has been nice so far. Congratulations, bro. I would go to a meetup, but I'm so far away. No problem, guys. No problem. It's okay. Just wanted to get an idea of who was near Atlanta. I don't know if we're going to have a lot of people, but I figured if we got a bunch of people, if we got like 20, 30 people, I mean, we might as well meet up and hang out, right? But let's continue on. Money flow looking pretty healthy. I think we were looking at that yesterday as the money flow started to pop up a little bit on the 4-hour. Another reason why we were expecting this move to the upside. Let's see. 2-hour money flow crossed over into the green. Yeah, pretty nice, guys. Nice little pop here. And we'll take a look at the volume profiles as well. Yeah, Rob the Crypto Snob, shout out to you, man. He says, pull your fib. We'll be pulling a lot of fibs tonight, guys. You're gonna see my fib tonight for sure. All right, let's see. Yeah, green money flow creeping in on the ETH daily chart. Yes, absolutely. I'm from Michigan. I'm willing to come to ATL. Oh, baby. We'll have to do a further what is it called? A further poll in the Discord to get more details on, like, who could actually come and put a number on it. But let's go ahead and continue on here. So, guys, things are actually looking pretty good. And we were just kind of looking yesterday or this morning. Not only did we have the 4-hour, we had the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6-hour green dots printing, and some of them were confirmed. And right before the pump, I was saying, like, hey, guys, this might be the next move. We might get that little move to the upside that we've been looking for here with all that happening, and money flow on the 2-hour was coming back to the upside, crossing over into the green, which is another indication that we were going to come up, and boom, we came up. I am in a long position, guys. I didn't get a chance to add to my long like we wanted to at that level of 16,550, but it's okay. We're still in the long. You can't catch all the moves with the exact position size you want. Sometimes you cut your trade too early. Sometimes you cut it too late. Sometimes you don't get to add to it. But it's in the green, and I'll try to pull that up in a minute here. But moving on, looking more in the immediate future here. Turn on our Heikin-Ashi candles and go ahead and turn on our TA, and let's take a look here, right? So let's go ahead and see here. So this was an old short. I'm going to get this out of here. But taking a look here, guys, we are coming up to our next level. We've made it to our basically our first target here. As you guys know, this level, this point of control at 16,567 was the level that I wanted to come down to potentially make add to my long. However, we were saying yesterday, I was like, no guarantees, right? We did have that daily red dot, which apparently doesn't want to really give us too much. Okay, interesting. Our green dot did disappear. Interesting. Was that the daily? Was I looking at the wrong? No, I think I was. Yeah, I guess. Okay, it's gone. 16. Oh, maybe. No, I guess it's gone. We were printing was it? Guys, I'm going crazy. I think we were just getting a VWAP flip on the daily with the green dot, but now it's gone, potentially. Yeah, I wasn't looking at the wrong thing, was I? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Oh, maybe it was on regular candles. Yeah, there you go. So, yeah, just so you guys know, regular candles will give you a little bit of different information on Market Cipher B. So that's interesting to see on the regular candles. But, yeah, let's continue on. We did come up to our next level, right? We were saying yesterday, no guarantees that we were going to get down here. We were somewhat in this kind of a bear flag, and then we got that crazy wick down, early this morning, and then, thought maybe we'd get that ride down, and we just didn't make it. Like I said, no guarantees. However, we did come up to our next level of resistance, which, let's go ahead and pull this chart up. Boom. This was more, I think, what we were looking at. Value area high at 17,174 was that next level of resistance we were looking at, and we did come right up to this blue box at about 17.3, another level we've been giving, letting you know that next level of resistance was likely going to be in this blue box. We came perfectly up to that blue box, got a little rejection, came back up, and now it does look like we could be bullishly consolidating here, maybe forming somewhat of a bull pennant. And maybe this is where we are going to get our next move to the upside. Now, this is the most ghetto, this is the most janky measured move I've ever done with the brush tool. But depending on if you measure the pole from here to here or here to here, it will bring us up to that 786, guys. If we continue our move up, I would be looking up at the 786 fib level for our next level of resistance. Now, if we come to our indicators and turn on our VPVR, one of the tools that we love using on this channel because it literally gives you x-ray vision into the market. This has been an invaluable tool for me. This is the number one thing. I say it all the time. If you watch the channel, you'll know that I am obsessed with the volume profiles, and the reason for that is because it works, guys. It gives you x-ray vision into the market, and it allows you to predict price unlike any other tools that I've ever used, right? Now, zooming in here, you can see, let's analyze up to here. So you can see here that the next level right here, volume starts to drop off, right? So if we break this level decisively at about 17,300, right? We can't come up and then reject back down. If we come up and flip this to support, we could fall out into this lower volume area, and we could get a quick rip up to that 786 fib level. Now, if things get really exciting and once we start breaking that fib, once we start breaking that 786 level, you'll see if we zoom out here, this is kind of the macro levels here. If we could break through that 786, boom, you pop above this blue box, shoot up to the 786. This isn't a bullish scenario, right? if we could crack that 786, guys, this volume gap, next, likely area of resistance is going to be this naked point of control at about $18,400 or $18,390. Could be a quick move because look at the big gap in volume. You have a high volume node here. You have a high volume node here. Nada in the middle. This typically results in quick moves in price, as you can see. Once price, I love showing this, guys, because it works. Once price broke this blue box, what happened? We got a absolute dump, a speed dump. We teleported down to this next high volume node, right? We teleported down here, created this gap, and now on the way back up, if we break this 786, we could teleport back up to that high volume node. I don't know if we'll go up to that high volume node, but we will likely teleport. There you go. We will likely basically teleport through this low volume gap to our next high volume node, coming in here at about $19,150. This is a level we've been watching for quite some time on the channel, and this is kind of the level, right? This is it. We've been talking about this $19,150 level. If we could get back up here, and I feel like a dead horse. I feel like I'm beating a dead horse by talking about this again. But if we can get up there, shoot through the low volume gap, get to this level, flip this to support, and start ranging up here, guys, this would be very bullish in my opinion, right? Because this was our old value area. You could see our blue lines here, our value area high and value area low. We would shoot right back into that value area, start ranging, and this, in my opinion, could be what we need to get another leg up, potentially even higher. However, this is the challenging area, guys. If we get up there, boom, boom, bing, bong, bing, right? We pop up there. I will be looking for some pretty gnarly shorts up here in case we reject, right? We could reject back to the downside. Maybe at that point, we'll come back down to that $16,500 area and I can add to my long. I'm just kidding, guys. That's a joke. But that is, if we get here, I will likely be looking for very strong, probably pretty decently sized shorts because if we reject from here aggressively, guys, that could be a really, really high-paying short, and it would be a pretty high probability trade, in my opinion, right? Because even if we do get a little rejection off of this level, even if we come up to this level, it's likely that even if we don't fully just absolutely turn around and dump, it is likely that we will get some form of a decent reaction off of here because when you zoom out, guys, this is a very big high volume node. So it's going to be very strong resistance. Even if we wind up breaking through it, it's likely to give us at least a decent sized scalp trade to the downside. So maybe come back down and test these areas by the MPOC at about 18,390. So these are the key levels that I'm watching, guys, and kind of what I'm expecting. Again, looking at the lower time frames, let's try to see. Let's see. Again, kind of looking like bullish consolidation to me. Money flow, nothing really to pull away from here on the 12-minute. Looking at your 15-minute, still nothing to really pull from that. Looking at your 30-minute, come on, baby. There we go. Looking to print a green dot here maybe some point soon. Your 1 hour green dot, 1 hour red dot is confirmed. I do think potentially we could just consolidate here. I do want to pull up the BitLab, let's see, where is it? The BitLab significant movements. Yeah, you could see this is saying this is somewhat of a top, right? So maybe we cool off here, or maybe we just kind of consolidate, looking for those unshaded waves to indicate a ranging market here. You could see this red wave started to turn gray or just unhighlighted, if that makes sense. And that is indicating that we could get some sideways action, which would make sense for this bull pennant. But yeah, as you can see, when you get these unshaded waves, it is typically when you're ranging in the market. You could see we were doing the opposite of a bear pennant, of a bull pennant. We had a bear pennant here, and you could see we kind of just got unshaded bar, unshaded bars, unshaded waves right here, and just indicating that we're kind of bing-bonging sideways. And then you got a little fake out, dump down with that bear flag or bear pennant. Now maybe we will see the same thing on this end as this is becoming a little less shaded. Yeah, you can see these are unhighlighted as well, just indicating some consolidation. And again, this is a bullish pattern. So if we hold above this value area high, guys, you know how the value areas work, guys, right? Let's go ahead and let me go ahead and hide this VPVR really quick so I can show you guys. Typically, guys, when here it is, right? This is the value. This is the volume profile range that we're looking at. And we know, right? We came down to the range lows here. And once we got support on that value area low, we bing bong, we know it's likely to come back up to your POC once you hold support on the value area low. So you lose it, flip it to support. Now you're expecting price to come up to the value area, expecting price to come up to your POC, come up to the POC, bing bong, and then hold above the POC. You know you're coming to the value area high. Boom. Then you come down to the POC. If you hold support on the POC, you're expecting to go back to the value area high, so on and so forth, right? Then we came down. We were on this POC holding as support, and then boom, we held support and came to that value area high. Now that we are above the value area high, we would likely expect to get sucked back into the value area unless we hold support on top of the value area high, right? Because we know that. Hang on, let me get rid of these. Let me get rid of these drawings real quick. Very distracting. So we know that we are likely to get sucked back into our value area, which would be between the value area high and between the value area low. So this whole area is considered the value area, or you could think of it as a fair price for Bitcoin, right? And then anytime you come out of the value area, you're overbought and you're likely to get sucked back in. And when you're below it, you are oversold and likely to get sucked back in, right? So we come down here, out of the value area, sucked back in towards the POC. Came out of the value area here, sucked back in towards the POC. Out of the value area here, sucked back in towards the POC. Out of the value area here, are we going to get sucked back into the POC? Or the other thing we can look for here is to hold support. If we hold support and we just kind of bing bong around, like I said, creating that bull pennant, right? Something like that. We hold above here, we could easily shoot through that low volume gap to that 786. So just a little bit of sauce there for you guys. I just like to teach about the volume profiles a little bit. I know you guys like the volume profiles, or at least I know I like them. Shout out to Crypto Billy says, Jessica, funny little slogan we made up. What is it? Bing bong. Is that it? What are we talking about? Anyway, is she asking what's binging and bonging around? What's up with the show? What's up with the show? Hi, Jessica. What is going on in chat right now? Hi, Dave. Dude, what is happening? Jessica's like been in here, and she says, what's up with the show? Dave says, hi, Jessica. She says, hi, Dave. What is happening? Who is? Never mind. Got you, boss. I'm confused. I'm going to continue on with the TA, guys. But that is just a little quick sauce about, volume profiles, guys, and kind of what makes me expect whether to get sucked back in or get sucked back out. And then another thing we can do here is we could turn on that VPVR, bada boom, bada bing, and we can just see if there's volume, right? Because if we get sucked, if we're at the value area high and there's no volume, like you see right here, where volume violently tapers off, that is more likely that you get sucked back towards your POC. But this is actually more reliant on the candles that we are looking at. But you can see here, you can see here, we do have a little spike in volume, so if we could hop above that and hold above this blue box, that's where I think we get the quick move to that 786. So, Jessica's in chat. Hi, Jessica. What's going on? What is going on? Y'all confusing me, bro. Let's Talk Shop says, y'all confusing Frankie. Chat's doing a bing bong. Yeah, for real. Hey, hi, Dave. Hi, Jessica. What show is this? Who is this guy on camera? I don't know. You guys are freaking me out. I'm getting sucked into chat. TK, there are streams where I am almost completely useless to you guys, and I just keep getting sucked into chat. I have to try to stay focused here to give you guys the value that you come to this channel for, because chat be crazy. Show ETH, new member orientation, Frank. Let's go. Shout out to Crypto Billy. We will take a look at ETH right now. So there you go, guys. That's basically my thoughts on Bitcoin and kind of my thoughts on what I think will happen. But again, although it does seem, especially if you're in the premium Discord or even the free Discord, it does seem like we may have a crystal ball here and there, but we don't, unfortunately. I swear. But yeah, we could. Listen, guys, no one's right 100% of the time. We've been wrong before, but these are my thoughts. You want to do your own research. I always like to press that because, I think it's never a good idea to just blindly follow people, because this is not financial advice. You should not be following some crazy guy on the internet with some weird Bitcoin sweatshirt on with your money without doing your own research, right? Or at all. You want to, take what I say and then do your own research, and you might be like, this guy on YouTube was crazy. I'm never, ever going to watch that guy again. You never know. But hey, you guys are crazy. Okay, so continuing on, TK says you're a legend, Frankie. TK, you're a legend, bro. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, feeling the energy today. I found more Aztecian cactus moss water, guys. I think the South Korean spicy sparkling cave juice is just not for me. It's all about the Aztecian cactus moss water. Sponsoring today's episode. I'm just kidding. It's not sponsored, guys. Anyway, continuing on here. Let's go ahead and yeah, there you go, guys. I didn't even realize this was labeled key, right? This level of resistance was labeled key, right? Because we got rejected here. We came up here. Now we're getting rejected again. But if we consolidate, we could boing or bing or bong back up to the 786. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum or Erythrium if you like your grandma might call it, or your aunt that doesn't know about crypto might say, what's up with the Erythrium, Frankie? I want to buy some Erythrium. Shout out to Crypto Billy. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Says, no, I mean, Jessica asked, oh, gotcha. Crypto Billy, thank you for clearing that up. Jessica asked, what's up with Show from Show ETH, explaining the slogan. Crypto Billy, what would I do without you guys? Yeah, thank you so much. Shout out to Melissa Santiago. Thank you, Melissa. I appreciate you for being here and showing some love. Let's get it. Yeah, thank you, Crypto Billy. You're the man. But let's continue on here. I'm going to show ETH anyway, but real quick first, I want to show the DXY, guys, because here is the situation we are in with the DXY. I mean, boop, boop, boop. I don't know, guys. That looking kind of like a Head and Shoulders to me. And I'm not talking about dandruff, guys. I am not talking about dandruff. This is a sloppy Head and Shoulders drawing. But you have the neckline here, right? We come down, bearish retest, confirmation of the LOX, dump down. Another bearish retest, dump. Now we're kind of just on top of this golden pocket. Can we hold it? If we get a big bounce from here, could be, another little dump for Bitcoin. Maybe this was just a little relief before we get a bigger move to the downside. But I just don't know if that's going to be the case. Let's pull back up Market Cipher and see if, we do have a significant bottom here on the BitLabs indicator. And then let's check for, because I think, no, that's okay. Looking at the daily. Bull div on the daily didn't give you, I guess it did actually give you a decent move up there. But now it is curving back down, looking to print that red dot. Maybe that bull div is over, and maybe Bitcoin's ready to run, and that would line up with those higher daily timeframes showing those bullish divergences. Crypto Anon with the $5 super chat just to say, hi, Jessica. Shout out to Crypto Anon. You're the man, bro. Let's see. A big fan of sloppy Head and Shoulders. God, I gotta watch everything I say. Who said that? Shout out to Nate Quantum Divergences, man. I appreciate all the support. Let's see. All right, continuing on. DXY faded today for sure. Yeah, definitely. Guys, we got 1,000 people in chat, guys. We're going for 1,000 likes. If you have not hit that like button already, just go ahead and tap it, kiss it, lick it. Hit it with your butt, your elbow, your knee, your tongue, your nose. I don't care. Just go touch the like button. Creepily fondle it. I don't really care. I mean, I don't know. Just go touch the like button, guys. Let's get it to 1,000 likes. If we get 1,000 likes, I'll give away some new Frankie Candles merch. Not the hat, or maybe we'll do the hat, but we have new Frankie Candles merch coming in. Maybe I'll give you guys some of that. Nate, shout out to Nate. Let's see. Okay, here we are. Continuing on. There's the DXY. Let's go ahead and take a look at ETH, guys. Let's take a look at ETH. Now, taking a look at your daily time frame. Red dot on the daily is confirmed. However, VWAP is looking to roll back to the upside. I'm going to pull up that significant. Yes, you are getting that red wave, indicating this could be a top, right? A top. We could have come up and just got this little doji candle before rolling back down. So it is indicating that we are at least at a local top. Not the biggest wave in the world. You could see the strong tops actually have a bigger wave. You could see this one right here was a much stronger top. Boom. That we came down. Here, excuse me, boom. We came down. We also had that daily bearish divergence. So, you guys are crazy. Crypto Killer Whale in the chat. Good to see you here, man. Thank you for tuning in. I want a hat with the show logo in color with no leather patch. Interesting, Crypto Killer Whale. That is good to know. DDT, it's smashed. Oh, boy. Okay, continuing on here, guys. Taking a look. Looking to potentially print a green dot here. We probably will know the outcome to this by the end of the stream when we print that new daily candle. We'll see if we get that VWAP flip on Ethereum, and we are not getting it on regular candles either. Do we still have it on Bitcoin is the question. We do still have that green dot on Bitcoin. Very interesting. Continuing on, though, yeah, that VWAP flip could give us another move to the upside. And then let's keep it moving. 16-hour green dot printing, 12-hour green dot printing, 8-hour green dot confirmed. So between that 12 and 16-hour green dot, that could easily give us a move to the upside. 4-hour money flow actually looking pretty healthy here. I'm not going to lie. And, let's go ahead and click on this and extend it to the right. As we come right up to our value area high, this purple line got a great little rejection here. Turn on our Heikenashis. Bada boom. Again, kind of looking like we could potentially do the same thing that we're doing on Bitcoin right here on this move. May pull somewhat of a bull pennant here. A little bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong, boom, right? And then the measured move here would be maybe something like this. Bada boom. And it does bring us close to that POC. That's a rough measured move there. But it does bring us up right near that POC, which if we break this purple line here or that value area high and we flip it to support, we could get a move up towards that POC coming in at about $1,333. This BTC pump is sponsored by Money Flow. Shout out to Honda, man. I appreciate you for being here, bro. The later time frames RSI are real juicy. By later time frames, do you mean high or low? That's actually a good question. Are later time frames higher or lower? Let me know in the chat what you guys think. I would think the later time frames are longer, higher. So the daily would be a later time frame, and the 1 minute would be a sooner time frame. Hey, Crypto Arbitrage University, I see you with the capiche. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, man. We got Bud Lightyear in the chat as well. Chat is spicy tonight. Oh yeah, we got the spicy chat tonight. We got Gary C in here. Sounds like too much hitting the bing bong for Frankie since he can't focus. Oh, God. I don't know what I would do without these live streams, guys. I really don't. It just literally makes my life to be here. So, guys, that is our next target here. The POC at 13,300 and 13,000. Guys, Ethereum's at 13 grand. $1,333 would be the next target for Ethereum if we could break out of this value area. And right now we are testing that value area high, looking for maybe some potential consolidation before that breakout. Very similar to Bitcoin, right? This is kind of similar to the move that Bitcoin can make to that 786 fib level. So we'll see what happens. No guarantees, right? We could see things roll over overnight. But as far as money flow, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hour, look at that. 1 hour, beautiful little cross into the green, right? Your 2 hour, same thing, beautiful. Whoops. 2 hour, same thing. Beautiful little crossover into the green, looking pretty healthy, at least at the moment. 3 hour crossover into the green. And your 4 hour money flow looking healthy. So, obviously nothing goes up forever, guys. Looking at the lower time frames now, I mean, hey, technically it is coming down, right? Money flow is technically cooling off here, but I mean, that's nothing really that insane, right? I mean, if you look at the 12-minute, I mean, it's coming up. It looks healthy. Red dot probably looking to print here on your 12-minute pretty soon, but I mean, that's just part of consolidation. Come up to the top, come to the bottom. Bing, bong, bing, bong. So, yeah, I mean, money flow looking pretty good. I'm not going to lie. 30-minute, yeah, money flow looking healthy. Guys, this might be a sustainable move, at least for another leg up. But again, I'm not really going to be flipping if we get past that $19,150 mark on Bitcoin, that's where I'm starting to think, maybe there's a higher likelihood that the bottom is in than not being in. But we got to make it up there first. How do you get labels on the VPVR? Labels on the VPVR. What do you mean by labels? Let me know in the chat, and I'll try to figure it out for you. Frankie's a real MF, 100%. This is why I show up here. Always a good vibe. Listen, shout out to D. Henley. I appreciate the kind words, man. Listen, I appreciate that very much. I'm a real MFer. I got nothing to hide. I don't know. I appreciate that. I hope that's the way I come off because, yeah, man, listen, I'm just here. I genuinely love what I do, man. This is you have no idea how excited I get to hang out with you guys every night. So, yeah, I appreciate that, man. That means a lot. I mean, the community is what makes this YouTube channel, guys. I think this means value. Oh, okay, yeah. Let me show that because that's a good thing here. So I'll show after I finish with the ETH TA. So I mean, basically that's kind of what I'm thinking on Ethereum, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at the VPVR, and I could almost guarantee you. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, your POC is up here. You do have a little fall off in volume here. Not the biggest gap I've ever seen, so you might not shoot through it. But I mean, maybe you do, though. You do have a little bit of a gap right up to that POC. So kind of similar to Bitcoin. This is like that 786 for Bitcoin. You know, if you break that value area high, very similar setup. Break that value area high, shoot through that low volume gap, hit that POC at 1333. But I'm a real M ever. Nice. Shout out to Dave Digital. Let's see. Who's 17,320 and dumped to 16,3. Hey. I hope so. No guarantees, but I do hope so. That would be, if I were taking my logic out of this and my technicals out of this, and I was just trading based off my emotion, or, you know, I just wanted to Bitcoin to do what I wanted it to do, you know, a rip up to 17.3. Yeah, I mean, 17.3, we did get that. You know, you do have some resistance at 17.3 where we got rejected last time. We could come up there for a double top. That's not impossible. And then a dump down to 16.3. That would be nice, right? A little lower than this. 16.3. Let's see. Where is that level? Oh, 16.3 before. Yeah. I mean, I would love that to happen. No guarantees, but you know, I do think it's maybe. Yeah. I mean, I think another move to the upside is more probable. But a move to 17.3 would be another move to the upside. So yeah, I would agree. But I don't know. Hopefully, you know, I hope we dump down. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I hope we do. Frankie, put those labels. Manually placed lines. It's not part of. Oh, okay. So, all right, let me cover this real quick. So that's Ethereum, guys. Those are the levels I'm watching and kind of what I'm expecting. And then again, to the downside, major level of support I'd be watching is about, this is Ethereum. I mean, this is Bitcoin. Going back to Ethereum. That next level of major support, if we do continue to the downside, let's come to the 1 hour. Next major level of support I'd watch on ETH, is going to be, yeah, I mean, I would watch this level right here, 1262, right? So, boom, 1262. Another major level you could watch is this POC at about 1216. But to touch on what these lines are, guys, let me clear up the chart. So if you open up your VPVR and you go to, you know, by default, you'll see it'll be a little bit of different settings, right? So you'll see your VPVR will most likely not look exactly like this. If you want to learn how I set up my VPVR, maybe the mods can link the video. I have made a bunch of volume profile videos where I show you my exact settings that I use. But if you once you set those settings, you'll see it looks like this. And to turn on the value area high, VAL, and POC, you want to come into your settings, click on your second tab, style, and then just highlight your value area high, value area low, and POC. Right? And you should have access to this tool. I think you may need a paid version of TradingView, but yeah. All right, let's continue on here. I wouldn't be surprised if they let all these late longs get this bread. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Let's see. Let's check on chat real quick before we move on. How long have we been going for? Okay, guys, it's up. Wow, it flew. About time to start taking a look at those alts, guys. So definitely go ahead. If you want me to take a look at your favorite altcoin, go ahead and throw them in chat, and I will go ahead and take a look at them for you. Let's see. Bada boom, Matic. I see. Matic is next. We'll take a look at Matic as well. Let's see. I wouldn't be surprised. We already read that. Oh, yeah, Scotty Beans. Shout out to Scotty Beans. Says, BitBoy channel, BitLab Academy, or /BitLab Academy for the new indicators someone asked. Scotty Beans, if you guys are interested in checking out the BitLab indicators that I showed before that point out the divergences, we also have some really amazing oscillators here. This one tells you, you know, where likely tops and bottoms are. You could see right here on ETH, we are getting on the 1 hour 3 bearish divergences. You got a MACD, an RSI, and an MFI bearish divergence. So is it hidden? No, regular divergence. And then you see, right, like this was calling that RSI divergence, right? Boom, perfect call. But Yeah, and then not only that, right? We have these 3 divergences as well as a little bit of a top here, so it may be likely to cool off for Ethereum. But if you guys are interested, link in the description down below. You could click that link and check out these BitLab indicators. And I did record a video today going over just market intelligence, which is the one with the divergences and the EMA ribbon here. I made a tutorial diving deep into this indicator, kind of showing you guys how to use it and how I set my settings personally for anyone who's interesting. Thanks for the rose sauce. Shout out to Crypto Pollo. Yeah, my last what is it called? My last pre-recorded video was uploaded late last night, so if anyone did not check out that video after the stream, go check it out. Maybe the mods can link this as well. We go over Rose. It's an altcoin deep dive, right? Now, just want to say, guys, I have no affiliation with any crypto project. If I do, I let you guys know, obviously, when we have an exchange with an affiliate link. I mean, obviously, you guys know that if we're affiliated, if I'm sending you to an affiliate link, if you guys want to sign up. But anytime I'm sponsored, like we were talking about CoinLedger, we're going to be talking about CoinLedger up until tax season. We've partnered with them. I will always be open about sponsored content. And to be honest, I probably will never partner with a crypto project ever. I just think it's too dicey for the most part. So probably never do that. So any these altcoin deep dive videos, these videos are never meant to tell you to buy the altcoin or go all in. I have no connection to any of these. It's just a research piece looking into the coin, letting you guys know what goes into the project, the fundamentals, the team behind it, just to give you guys a better idea of what these projects actually are, what they do to help you make more informed investment decisions. I have nothing to do with these projects and probably never will. If I ever did, I'd let you know, but I probably never will. I just think it's dicey. But yeah. As far as sponsored content, like we would more be doing things that are like useful, like exchanges, like we do, right? And I say, hey, we're sponsored by this exchange, or we're checking out this exchange. Check out our affiliate link. And I feel like people hate on there's such a stigma against affiliate links. Here's the thing, guys. Like these are just things I use every day. I like them, right? Like BitGet, I'm using BitGet. I'm in trades on BitGet right now. We're doing the competition. These are things I'm trying out. I have no affiliation. I have an affiliation with BitGet, obviously, and I told you guys that. I will always disclose any sponsored things on this channel. Yeah. But like we're a YouTube channel, right? We got to make money. Work very hard. We got to make some money. And I feel like people think, oh, he has an affiliate link. He's trying to sneak making money. Like, no, if you use our affiliate links, like you help out the channel and you also save money on any affiliate links or most of the affiliate links that we use. So it's a win-win situation. If you don't want to use the links, that's totally fine too. But if you want to save some money and help out the channel, that's also cool. But I figure, we give away a lot of free information on this channel, like a lot. So I figure if you guys are going to sign up for Femex or BitGet or whatever, or use an indicator or something, you might want to save some money and maybe support in the process. Oh yeah, shout out to Rob the Crypto Snob. Was it Ronnie P? I missed his super chat last night. He asked if he could pay for the premium Discord with fee picks. But I have a rebuttal to that. Can I start paying for stuff with my calf picks is the question. Yeah, let me know. Would you guys take calf payments if I needed something from you guys? Let me know. But let's jump right back into the charts here, guys. Shout out to Thesis himself. FTM 4-hour daily. Love you for real. MF Hotter King. Wait, for FTM 4-hour daily. Love you real MF. Shout out to Thesis himself. I love you, bro. Thank you for showing so much support to the channel. You are the man. Let's see. Calf payments. Let's go. Shout out Rob, Crypto Snob. Kelly Boy in the chat. Ronnie P. There he is. Ronnie P said, yes, I can. Ronnie P, check your MetaMask. There's going to be some calf picks in there, baby. I NFT'd them, and I sent them to your wallet, brother. Let's go. Just don't resell them. They're not for resale. They're not for resale. They're only for you, Ronnie. I get them for you. Anyway, you guys are awesome. Homie, you get yours. Okay, we're not woke here. Also, it's America. Shout out to D. Henley. You guys are funny. And we also, yeah. Listen, guys, when this channel grows and the more money we make, trust me, the more we're going to give away. That's honestly my goal here. If we can grow this into a giant channel that makes a lot of money so I can give back to you guys and just random people in need, that is really what I would like to do. Shout out to Hit Network Gaming. I'd go to a Frankie Candles meetup. Shout out to Hit Network Gaming, guys. Joel, let us know. Shamelessly shill yourself. Joel asked me, and we work with Joel. He works at Hit Network. He runs the Hit Network Gaming channel, which is absolutely awesome. I think the Hit Network Gaming channel is going to blow up. But he asked me if he could pay me to promote his live stream tonight. I thought it was tomorrow, but I was like, dude, are you kidding me, bro? I'll just do it for free. What do you mean? I'm not taking any money from you. But Joel, shill yourself in this chat. I give you permission. You are, just let them know where they're gonna find you. You have permission. Okay, let's see. Continuing on here, guys. Taking a look at Market Cipher. I don't even know why I said that. I was going to say Ethereum. Smash the likes. Shout out to Jonas. I appreciate you, brother. Let's go ahead and dive into, let's take a look at Matic, right? Let's take a look at little Matic. Okay. So here we go. Obviously, a nice little move to the upside, or a nice medium-sized move to the upside. Tony D said, raid has to be configured prior to going live. No. Ah, man. All right. Well, we will manually raid. I will just try to send everybody over. We'll do that. We'll do that. Joe, we got you, bro. I'm stressfully setting everything up. Lol. Love you, suckafish. He calls me suckafish. Anyway, yeah, guys, don't forget, Hit Network Gaming. Can't physically raid him. But yeah, go check him out when we're done. They have a lot of fun on that channel. But here we go. Continuing on. Shout out to Joel. Bo, shout out to Bo with a $2 super chat. He says, aha! I think that joke's played out. I don't think you guys are ever going to fall for that again. Every time I see you guys tricking me in chat, I try to get you back. It just doesn't work. Shout out to Bo. Hashtag when mute. There you go. Let's see. I will go to ATL to rep the 305 CandleMafia. Shout out to Crypto Pollo or Bitcoin Chicken, as I like to call him. Thanks for that, man. Hit Network Gaming going to be streaming Warzone. Ooh, maybe. All right, let's go. Oh, Wick said mute. Let's go. Muted Crypto Pollo. Ooh, maybe I tricked some people. Let's go. Matic just hung up on you. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. Okay. Looking at the daily. Looking very similar, guys, right? VWAP flip looking to happen here on Matic. Yeah, definitely looking for that VWAP flip. Probably going to find out in about 26 minutes. Looking at that 16-hour, getting that green dot, 12-hour, getting that green dot, 8-hour, green dot confirmed, 6-hour, green dot confirmed. Yeah, looking very similar to a lot of the other things. 16 and 12-hour look fresh and primed for a move to the upside. Daily VWAP flip, if we get that, it would be pretty bullish in my opinion. Oh, God, Metabytes with the load. You guys, you tricked me, man. Every time I see it, I get like PTSD. I'm like, oh, no. Nah, that's soul that hung up. Oh, God. You guys know. Oh, wait, my phone was just turned down. Oh, no way. That's hilarious. Okay. Too funny. Bing bong. Shout out to Rick. Let's go. That's not to be confused with Wick. Okay, here we go. Okay. Boom. Looking for the VWAP flip on the daily. Money flow. I'd like to see money flow come up a little bit more for Matic. Weekly rolling up to the upside. Money flow coming out, but that VWAP is looking for the green dot. Your 6-day is printing a green dot. Ooh, baby. Ooh, 2-day looking for the red dot. Oh, God, this is a little bit mixed. I would look for that daily VWAP flip. Looking at the lower time frames, 4 hours starting to cool off here. Could potentially, I think we did have a local golden pocket up here. Whoops. Let's see. I think this is a local golden. Let's see. Bada boom, bada bing. Bang. Okay. Oh, yeah, we came up, tested that 786 fib. We could get a little bit of a rejection down off of this. But yeah, looking for that 4 hour to cool off just a bit. Looking at the 2 hour. Yeah, 2 hour looking to print that red dot as well. Your 1 hour is probably confirmed. There it is. Money flow crossover into the green. Yeah, I would say short-term cool off, if anything, right? Could be, pulling a little bit of a ascending triangle here potentially. Go ahead and pull this. A little bada boom, bada bing. Boom, little potential ascending triangle, bull pennant, bull ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. Does look like bullish consolidation to me. That 786 looking to, maybe hop on top of that and flip it to support. But yeah, this is looking very similar to other things. Looking like bullish consolidation to me. Money flow on the 2 hour is back in the green. 3 hour back in the green. Not looking the worst. Coming down to lower time frames, I would look for your 10 to 15-minute money flow. You can see your 15-minute money flow is starting to work its way down. Also, Yeah, money flow. You're looking to print a red dot here. Money flow is starting to come back out. And then your 10 and 12 minute, not as much. But, oh, there you go. Red dot on your 12 minute. 15 minute, looking to have that money flow come out a little bit more. Red dot on your 24 minute is printing as well. So money flow on your lower time frames is starting to come out. So, as this starts to come out and we start to print that 2, that 3, and that 4-hour red dot, that's where I would look. If we get those, that might be where we start to get a strong correction. But again, it is looking like we could get some bullish. It looks like it wants to go, guys. These things look like they might want to have a little more gas in the tank. Daily money flow, though, on Bitcoin, on Matic, I would like to see come up a little bit more. Shout out to New Type for the $5 super chat, man. I appreciate that so much. He says, loving your TA, man. Thoughts of moving the stream to 30 minutes before Tokyo stock market opens, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Moves seem to happen after your stream, lol. New Type, bro. 100%, you're right. Every time we end the live, last night was a perfect example, right? I think, yeah. No, was it last night? I don't even remember, guys. I got to start going to bed earlier. I'm going to start, it's just, crypto doesn't sleep, right? I update the Discord in the morning. I moved my schedule around to update Discord in the morning, so I don't have to be up until 1 in the morning because I get up early in the morning to go back to the studio. I sleep for like 5 hours a night, which is basically fine. Like 5 hours of sleep for me is really what I need. If I get any more, I actually get kind of groggy. But like I barely sleep, and because I'm always looking at the charts, I need to have a little bit of control because I don't want to burn out. But I know, dude. I'm like I get off the stream and it starts pumping or it starts dumping right after we get off the stream. And it is probably Asia waking up. Frankie Ruffruff. Doing good, Cap. Shout out to Captain Kirk in the chat. What is going on, Cap? I love you. Thank you for being here. And shout out to Thesis for that super chat as well. It says FTM 4-hour daily. Whoa. What's going on? Chat's going nuts. CMP looking too long on the retest of the flag. Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at FTM. Let's go ahead and take a look. Maybe. Let's see. Where is it? FTM. There we go. Well, there you go. Here's a little teaser into a trade that we had in the premium. In the premium Discord, we did put this trade setup in there. Hit it for about 8%, almost 8%. I am still holding some of my trade, looking for a potential retest of this local golden pocket before a rejection. But yeah, little teaser there, guys. Little premium Discord trade there. But let's take a look at the 4-hour. Let's hide that. Take a look at the 4-hour. If you guys are looking to get into those juicy little scalps, you go ahead and check out that free Discord. If you are not free Discord, the premium Discord. And if you don't have the money to shell out for the premium Discord, we do have a $7 a month premium supporter role that will get 1 premium post from the premium Discord a week. So you get 4 premium posts for just $7. But if you want to get in that whole community in there, it's going to be $40 a month. And it was $5 off. I think the sale ends at 8. It will go back to its regular price at 8 p.m. But right now you're getting $5 off a month. All right, let's continue on here. Let's see. Bada boom, bada boom. I get so distracted by chat, guys. It is insane. Lord Base, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Hey, we got Frank in chat, says thanks for everything anytime. Let's see. This is totally not what I listened to. Not sure exactly what you guys are talking about. Let's see. Dave Digital says not even close. Live stream now moving market. Yeah. Let's see. It's going to hit 18K so they can lie to you guys. Hey, 18K is in the cards for sure. Let's see. That's okay though. We the ones watching. I have no idea what's going on in chat, guys. No idea. Somebody fill me in. Anyway, taking a look here at FTM. Money flow coming to the downside on your 4-hour. 1 hour money flow coming to the upside. Let's come over to the daily, see what the daily's doing. Red dot confirmed on your daily as you are continuing to come down here. 2-day looking to print that red dot as well. Your 8-hour VWAP is looking for a green dot. Like I said, looking to maybe come up a little bit in the short term. But yeah, money flow continuing to come out on the 4-hour. 2-hour money flow looking to come up a little bit. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly green dot is confirmed. And you did get a little bit of a bull div there. Moving on here. Yeah, VWAP on your 2-day is cooling off. Let's see. 1 hour. 1 hour looking to print that red dot, so may cool off here in the short term. Again, pulling up that BitLab significant movement indicator, showing that red wave, showing that we could have a top coming in here. So, all right, continuing on, looking at the 30-minute. 30-minute red dot confirmed. Money flow coming straight up, though. Actually, hang on. What's the 4 hour doing? Yeah, money flow's coming out. Let's check the lower time frames. 10-minute money flow on the way to the downside. 12-minute on the way to the downside. And your 15-minute also kind of flat there. Little bit of a bearish divergence here. Little bit of a bear div. Not the strongest bear div I've ever seen, but likely to maybe get a little bit of a tiny cool off here. Matic looking sexy. Let's go. Shout out to BG. Not to be confused with BJ. Keep us posted about the Georgia meetup. Shout out to Thesus. Thesus. Not to be confused with Thesis himself. This is Thesis, not himself. This is Thesis pretending to be somebody else. Then Thesis himself is Thesis himself. Anyway, looks like a bear div on that 30-minute with Market Cipher. Yup, good call on, who said that? Chemistry Bro, good call on you, brother. With all these premium indicators that are pushed, plus the premium Discord, plus premium that I'll go broke if I buy it all. Well, continuous moon, here's the beauty of it. Here's the beauty of it. We have a free Discord that has more TA from me and more value than any other free Discord I've ever seen personally. So our free Discord is definitely packed full of sauce. So if you can't afford the premium Discord, don't worry. You're still going to get sauce in the free Discord. The sauce in the free Discord stays the same. And I say this all the time. I'm a big proponent of this. I use premium indicators, but you do not need a premium indicator to be a successful trader. And in all of my tutorial videos and all of my strategy videos, I do give you a free alternative at the end of the video if you don't have something like Market Cipher or the BitLab Trading Suite. So you can easily become a successful trader watching just these live streams. Have more value than a lot of things out there, right? And there are very good things out there as well. But I'm sorry about that, guys. Finally, actually went mute. But yeah, that my whole point is here. We're the BitLab indicators and the premium Discord just happen to come out at the same time, so we're talking about them a lot. But yeah, there's so much free value in this community. If you stick around, trust me, the CandleMafia will tell you. They'll tell you. Anyway, let's go ahead and continue on here. You can predict the market top if you have paperclip, a used piece of floss, and three chiclets. Yeah, Wick, absolutely 100%. But yeah, I don't want to come off like you guys need premium. I mean, if you watch the content, if you've been here for more than 5 minutes, you'll know. I show you guys all free different. Like, for example, I'll do it right here, right? For example, you can't afford Market Cipher? No problem, right? You can't afford BitLab indicators? No problem. Go ahead and pull up your RSI. This is free on every TradingView, any TradingView platform, or any TradingView, what is it called? Any TradingView account is what I'm trying to say. But here, you could do the same thing, right? We're looking for bearish and bullish divergences. Frankie the Bing Bong Candle, Don, what is up? Graziano, what is going on, man? Hey, we got Miles at G Investments, PPI tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time, hoping for a pump. Let's go. Shout out to Miles G. I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you for being here. But same thing, right? We were just looking at some divergences. Here's a perfect example of a divergence right here. Boom, higher highs. And then you have your lower highs on your RSI. That gives you a bearish divergence, very similar to how it looks on Market Cipher B. Let me pull up Market Cipher B. Let's see if we had the same thing. Yep, you did, right? You have the same thing. I look on here. You can also use the RSI, completely free. You do not need Market Cipher. You do not need Lux Algo. Do the BitLab indicators make your life easier? Absolutely. Does Market Cipher make your life easier? Does it give you additional information, additional confirmations? Yes. But you could easily trade with free indicators. There is no need to have premium stuff. I want to make that very, very, very clear. Anyway, continuing on here. Yeah, absolutely, Honda Man. Absolutely. So for FTM, let's go ahead and hide that again. Yeah, looking for a potential short-term cool-off on FTM. So yeah, and then to give you guys, I'll give you guys some levels here. I'll just delete this. Whoops. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, next level of resistance would be about 23 cents. And then let's go ahead and pull some volume here. Next level of support, I would watch. Whoops, come on now. Boom, boom. There we go. Oh, my good Lord. Okay, there we go. All right. So next level of resistance or support would be about 23.234 cents, 0.234 cents. And then that POC would be the next level to watch. I don't know if we'll probably won't make it down there. I wouldn't think. About 23 cents. So those are two levels of support to watch, as well as that level of resistance. That local golden pocket is likely interesting. Anyway, I'm not even gonna. I don't even know. Yeah. Let's see. I think Frankie is John Wick in his downtime. Hey, Lord Bass, can I see you outside for a second? Kind of feel like you weren't supposed to say that. Now everybody knows my alter ego is John Wick. Oh, no. Vu Manchu is a free Market Cipher knockoff. Interesting. Thank you, Rob, for that. I appreciate you. Yeah, okay, I see a lot of good stuff going on here in chat. Let's get it. When is the next full moon? Where's Hodgepodge at? Hodgepodge would know. Jessica says you're wearing shorts today. I actually have no pants on at all. Did you see pants? I didn't see pants or shorts. You guys never know. I might have no pants on under here. Hopefully we don't get demonetized. Anyway, it gets hot in here, guys. I told you. I have a sweatshirt on top, nothing on the bottom. Anyway, I'm actually sitting in a bathtub. You guys don't know this, but from here down, I'm actually in a giant bathtub. So it's actually an ice bath because it's so hot in here. Anyway, I know, but he looks like, he looks like, I look like Keanu Reeves? Guys, why? People say I look like Keanu Reeves, and people say I look like Andrew Tate. I don't see Andrew Tate. I don't know, and I don't think I look like Keanu Reeves either. Interesting. I mean, I'll take both of them. I don't mind them, but like, I just don't. I don't know. Like Andrew Tate, I've been called Andrew Tate like a bunch online. Like people are like, wow, this guy looks like Andrew Tate. I don't know how. I feel like Andrew Tate's much darker. There is a FTM. I'll smash it. Let's go, Jessica. Oh God. Hot tub stream. Let's go. Shout out to Jiren, guys. Let's go ahead. There is FTM. Let's go ahead and dive into some of these other altcoins. I think we might be running out of. Oh no, we're still good on time. Can't wait to get the DBSI on my hands. Let's go, Honda Man. We should pull up the DBSI more often. But yeah, guys, Andrew Reeves, let's go. But yeah, guys, just understand, like I could do this whole stream without premium indicators. We should do that one day just to prove to people, like, you don't have to spend the money, right? You could become a profitable trader, and then like the indicators are more helpful than anything, but you could definitely get it done with free indicators. Probably because you use Andrew Tate's profile picture. Dave, what you talking about? All right, let's go ahead and continue on. You guys are funny. Litecoin, let's go. Okay, we can take a look at Litecoin. LTC, let's check it out. Oh, baby, she's popping. She's popping on the 30. She's popping on the 30, boys. Let's go. All right, here we go. Dang, is this thing down? Hold up. This thing is... Hang on, guys. Hang on. I got to check something real quick. Let me see. Alt, swing. Oh, no, scalp. Dang. Yeah, okay. Wow, played out. Okay. Yeah, altcoin. I almost just called Litecoin altcoin. Looking at Litecoin here, does look like we are just kind of ranging, to be honest. I mean, we did get a nice little pump to the upside, but when you zoom out a little bit on the 2-hour, it does look like we are still just kind of sitting in this range. Let me see if I can get a little bit of a wider range. Pull it from this top. Boom. No, still there. So yeah, if we approach this value area high here at 79.26, that might be a good place for a rejection potentially. And then your immediate support is probably going to be about 76.80. Going to be your level of support. Somewhat of a D-shaped volume profile here. Typically with these, you want to long the lows and short the tops. And here, you could have longed this low, rode it up. If we get back up here, you may be looking for shorts. Let's go ahead and pull up bada boom. Bada boom. Pull back up the chat. Bing bang. Let's go. Okay. You guys are crazy. Stopped in to like the video. I'm at my daughter's chorus concert. Shout out to Daddy Zach. Thank you for being here. He's not lying. He is a daddy. But yeah, looking to range here. Yeah, looking to range, probably continuing to range here. Looking for a rejection at that value area high. Probably do have some confluence there. Maybe a local golden from here. Like I said, guys, stare at the charts long enough. You can just find these local golden pockets with your eyes without pulling them. Obviously, you want to confirm them. But, yeah, local golden pocket here as well. Likely to get somewhat of a rejection off of here, as we are, right? We're approaching it. Would look for a little bit of a rejection here. And then, yeah, let's get... where did it go? Let's see. Boom, boom. Okay. Yeah, printing that red dot on the 15-minute as well. Continuing on. 45-minute, looking to print a red dot here as well. Money flow was looking to come into the green, but it is looking a little wish-washy. Pulling in that 4-hour VWAP straight to the upside. 1 hour looking for the red dot. 45-minute looking for the red dot. Yeah, it does look like we could potentially cool here. If we do get another push-up, I'd watch that 786 at about $80.24. Let's see. Don't forget LTC daily bear div. Yeah, daily bear div confirmed on Litecoin as well. Here we go. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Bada boom. There you go. And money flow looks like it could be topping there potentially. 16 hour. Yeah, 16 hour is coming back up, but generally flowing to the outside, to the downside. How long till the bull market do you think this is the last ABC down? Listen, is the bottom in? I mean, you got a 50-50 shot, right? To be honest, I've been very open about this. I think it's way less important. I think people should stop focusing so much on catching the exact bottom. They're going to subconsciously not invest on the way down. They're going to be like, I'm going to hold more till we go lower. But listen, we are far off the all-time highs for Bitcoin, right? So I am accumulating. If we come down lower, I will buy more. If we come down lower, I will buy more here. If we come down lower, I'll buy more down here, right? But I am not going to say the bottom's not in, the bottom's not in. I'm waiting. And then, price comes up and you're like, oh, okay, it's okay. We're coming up for, we're just going to come hit these highs again and then dump. And then you're like, oh, here it is. I'm going to wait, let it go lower. It's going to make lower lows. It's going to make lower lows. And then you get another bounce and you're like, oh no, I'll wait for another lower low. And then you're like, okay, all right, we're at 38K, almost 40K. Maybe the bottom is in. And now you're buying 45K Bitcoin when you could have been buying it down here at 16K. So I personal thought, do I think the bottom's in? If I wanted to take a random guess, I think there's definitely an argument to be made. There's definitely an argument to be made that it's in, right? There's a lot of things that point to the bottom being in. However, we are also in a very different environment than we have been in the past. So, it's very hard to say, right? Everyone was looking at the stock to flow in the bull market. Everyone was looking for 100K. Everyone was waiting till 100K to sell. And everybody got wrecked. So this is kind of like I get PTSD thinking of that 100K. I get PTSD. So I am not going to be the guy waiting to sell at 100K. Right? Except on the way down. I'm not going to be the guy waiting to buy that 9K. Because guess what? If we get down to 9K, I'm still going to buy it. Even if I bought some up here, I'm just going to buy more in. Ben calls it weighted dollar cost averaging, right? So I started lightly dollar cost averaging in this area right here. Lightly. Get another dump down, lightly, or a little heavier DCA. If we get another move down, right? Say we get that move down to Say we get that move down to about 14 to 12K, and we start ranging down here. I will put a heavier DCA in, right? And I've now DCA'd here. I've DCA'd here. I've DCA'd here. If we dump down, I'll DCA down here. And then you'll get an average buy-in price pretty low when you're up at 100K. And then when price comes up to, if we hit 100K, right? I think we can hit 100K in the next cycle. But if we do go up to 100K, I'm not going to care if I bought it here or here. The idea is that I bought at the bottom and now we're at the top, right? Instead of waiting for these, and if they never happen, you're going to wind up buying here, right? So I hope that makes sense. I hope that helps some people out kind of wondering if they should be DCAing in. I can't tell you when to put your money in. You should never listen to somebody just telling you to put your money in. It's a bad idea. But this is what I'm doing, right? And people are like, yeah, but it's going to take another leg down. And they're like, I actually, it doesn't really happen to me. I see it happen to other people. I hear people talking and it's like, yeah, it's going to take another leg down and you'll be screwed. And it's like, no, I'm just going to buy more, dude. What do you mean? Like, anytime you hear somebody being very decisive, guys, anytime you hear somebody guys, the bottom is 100% not in. You're an idiot if you think it is. Run far, far, far away from those people, because if that is, especially in a financial market, you do not want to listen to people who just say, no, there's no way it's in. That's just what they think, right? Ask any real person, right? Ask any real trader, any person who's actually been in the market. They will know that the market can humble you easily. So, and do they have a 50-50 shot of being right? Yes. And when they are right, it's very reassuring to those people that listened, right? So you might be wrong, but when they might be right, and it might work out once in a while. You have a 50-50 shot. It's it's literally a half bet. But, if they get it wrong, they're going to get people wrecked. So, you hear someone say the bottom's 100% not in. Could they be right? Yes. But they could also be wrong. Don't let them fool you to think that they know something you don't know. They might be more educated on how the market works, but there's no way that they know if the bottom is in. They could be experienced, right? Like Gareth Soloway. He's been in financial markets for years, over 20 years, I believe, right? He knows he's been here for a long time, right? In crypto for a long time, but also just in financial markets. He thinks we have lower lows, but he's not saying it's 100% coming, hands down, not a chance that we haven't bottomed. He's totally open to the fact that we could have bottomed because he's been around in the market and he actually knows what he's doing. He's an actual trader. He actually does this. He's not just like making an emotional guess. A lot of these people making these emotional guesses haven't really been doing this that long, right? They just come in, they're like, oh, it dropped a lot. This is the bottom. So just be careful. Just be very careful out there. SPF interviews, it's like he's begging to tell us the truth, and they told him to go along with it in wrecking. Yeah, SPF is a clown. Anyway, we're clearly in the bull market, and you still have people saying one more dump. Yeah, and listen, that's the thing. Like, if there is one more dump, cool. I'll just buy more Bitcoin. It's fine. It's fine if there's one more dump. Shout out to David. Oh, no, I wasn't David. Who said that? Shout out to Wick. Yeah, we'll clearly be in the bull market. Yeah, 100%. That's why you never want to be a perma bear. You never want to be a perma bull, right? That's why I'm a trader. I never understood why people get so fanatical and emotional over, I called the top, I called the bottom. I don't know. Who cares? I made money going up and down. Who cares? Yeah, anyway, that's my take. That's my rant, guys. That's my daily rant. Let's see. The bottom is coming in like, you guys are crazy. All right, let's see. Shout out to Crypto Anon. He said, I told my son that Santa is not coming this year. He's just giving us crypto bags instead. That's a big brain move. That is a big brain move, Crypto Anon. Let's go. Digital Pencil in the chat said there's only one truth. Crypto can go up and it can go down. Wow. I'm pinning it. Guys, show Digital Pencil some love in the chat. I'm pinning this, Steven. Let's go. That's Steven, our head master of graphic design at Hit Network. He's the man, and he's absolutely right. There's only one fact. It can go up and it can go down. And if you think, oh, well, you're just saying it can go up and it can go down, that's 100% what I'm saying. And if you're listening to someone else saying it's 100% doing something else, or they're just run far. Run. Anytime someone gets emotional about where price is going, run. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Continuing on here. Let's go. What do we got? Let's take a look at some more altcoins. Where'd our list go? I've been ranting for so long. The list ran all the way up here. Giving out that sauce, LFG. Shout out to Crypto Anon. Let's go. Let's see. I'll bring Frankie Candles in with me like a D-Gen. I got to go get my blood tests. Let's go. Shout out to Nomad Dad. He's like sitting there. The nurse is like, what's Bing Bong? What are you watching? Who's that crazy guy? Why is he talking so loud? Hey, listen, nurse. Listen. I talk loud. What do you want from me? Anyway. Has ETH bottomed? I will say this. ETH has not broken the June lows. That is kind of bullish, but it doesn't mean that it can't break the lows. Guys, another exchange could go down, and we can make another dump. 100%. Anyway, where is our list of altcoins? I can't even find it. Thank you, Rob. He threw it in there again. Okay, taking a look at H-bar. Why'd I pick the Bing X chart? Interesting. H-bar. Let's take a look at Bitstamp, US dollar. Bing bong. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. Boom. Remove all the drawings, guys. What do we got? We got 827 people still in here, guys. 500 likes left to hit our like goal. Yeah, TA on Twitter coin. Yeah, actually, speaking of Twitter coin, you should maybe you see market going up. That means it's finna go down. Shout out to CryptoFace, guys. Also, big news. CryptoFace collab. Shout out to Tony D. CryptoFace collab in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen right now. It's in the kitchen. It's getting cooked up, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, here we go, guys. Asian markets open. Time to shut down the stream and watch price go crazy while I leave the stream. Anyway, looking at H-bar real quick. Kind of still just in our little, on the 16-hour at least, kind of still just in our little range here. Pull some volume. Taking a look at the daily. No bull div. VWAP coming to the upside. 16-hour green dot is printing. No bull div. You are printing that green dot, though, and money flow is curving to the upside. Your 8-hour green dot is confirmed. 12-hour green dot printing. 4-hour, looking a little overextended here on your VWAP. Next level of resistance, major resistance, is going to be about 0.048 cents. That POC right here. Looking for a rejection at that level, potentially. But, yeah, VWAP looking kind of healthy here, to be honest. 2-hour, oh, boy. 1 hour. Yeah, I would watch for that 1-hour red dot for a cool-off, probably coming up to a little bit of a local golden pocket here. Right. Boom. There you go. So if we get another push to the upside, watch that 786 fib level, but we may reject this local golden pocket. And then, again, your next level of support is going to be I'd watch that value area low at about 0.46 cents. And, right above that, I'd watch that local golden pocket at about 0.47 cents. Let's see. Happy hour, see you at 6. Let's go. Shout out to Jessica. BTC mining, not looking good either. Mr. Ethereum in the house. What is going on, Mr. ETH? He says show ETH. We did show ETH, Mr. ETH. It was like the once we got off Bitcoin or off the DXY, we looked right at Ethereum. If you want to scroll back, it will be there. But anyway, continuing on here. Yeah, I mean, I would look for that daily green dot for another move to the upside. Other than that, I do think we could cool off in the short term. 30-minute red dot printing as well. No divergences. Okay, see you later, Jessica. Thank you for being here. XRP bull div they're asking about. Let's see. That's the market cap. That's not what we want to look at. Boom. Dang, this thing is ripping. Okay, let's see. What did he say? Bull div. XRP bull div. Big Red, where are you seeing that? Big Rad. Shout out. Jessica leaves. And Jesse in here. Jessica, I think Jesse might be a guy. Jesse, are you a guy or a girl? I don't know. It's like kind of an interchangeable name. I think it might be a dude. I don't know. Let me know. I never know I don't know what you guys look like. But let's see. What's up? Jessica. Blue Punk Rocker. Let's go. Shout out to you, man. Thank you for being here. Let's see. Okay. Bull div. I don't know. I mean, we did have a bull div right here. Boom, boom. Higher lows, lower lows. Bing, bong. A little pop ski to the upside. Probably coming up against this local golden right now. Boom. Look at that. Local golden. Frankie, have you ever done TA on Hex? I have not. I don't see a bull div on XRP. I just don't know where you're looking. So maybe you are seeing a bull div. I just don't know what Just don't know what you're looking at. Well, 1 minute blood diamond. This is likely to bring us down in the micro term. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull some 90-minute volume here. There you go. A little confluence there. You do have a value area high and local golden pocket in that general vicinity, so likely that we will cool off a little bit. I would watch that POC at about 39 cents even, just about, for some support, and then immediate resistance is going to be between about 39 between about 39 cents. Yeah, 39.398 cents, and this value area high at 0.395 cents. Let's see. Hex, Sauce Boss, JQ707. What is going on, brother? Thank you for being here. Hex, to protect the world from devastation. Dude, get a new cable. Who said it? Who said it? Yeah, I think you're talking about my USB cable. Oh, no. Yeah. Jesse BTC says get a new cable. It was a trick, though. Oh, no, it actually did get muted today. TWT, you guys want to see Trust Wallet token? Yeah, Trust Wallet. We'll look at TWT, or as I like to call it, Twit. We'll look at Twit. Okay. Taking a look at Hex. I guess we'll look at the BitGet chart. Let's see. Hex. I do not own any Hex. I wonder if I'll regret that one day. The Hex army will say I will. They would say I will be missing out, but we'll see. I've met Richard Hart. I have to say, from what listen, I meet people and I judge them based off of how they treat me, and he seems like a very nice guy. He's good. He seems like a good guy. I didn't really hang out with him too much, but yeah, it was pretty cool meeting him. It was interesting. He's like a fictional character is what it feels like. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Creeping up. 550, got 767 people in chat. If you have not already, kiss, lick, elbow bump, fist bump, hit it with your nose, touch it with your butt, or creepily fondle that like button. The Hexicans, yeah. Dude, where's my car? What's yours say? Dude. Honey, where's my pants? I don't know. Where's my pants? I got no pants, guys. No pants on. Anyway. Already did Matic. Shout out to Crypto Killer Whale. The Godfather in chat. Bing bong. Sorry, I'm late, Frankie. Keep on the good work. Thank you, The Godfather, guys. Show some respect to The Godfather so he doesn't have us all whacked. Anyway. Bing bong. Let's go. All right, here we go. Looking at the daily. Oof. Green dot on the daily with a nice little micro trigger wave. I don't really know how that's going to play out. Green dot on the daily would call for a move to the upside. 16-hour green dot confirmed. 4-hour looking to cool down. And we got a little pop to the upside, but these lower time frames look like they may. Ooh. That 1 hour kind of looks saucy right now. 30-minute. And if you don't enjoy this video, hit the dislike button twice. Since you're outnumbered, yeah, shout out. Hit the dislike button, too. I don't care which one you hit. Just hit one of them. Do something. Anyway, let's see. Ooh, yeah. Funky price action here, guys. What is this price action? Yeah. I'd look to cool off in the short term. That daily green dot, though, is likely to bring you up, I would think. 12-hour coming up in the green. VWAP above the zero line on the 12-hour. Your 16-hour is also confirmed with a nice little trigger wave. But, yeah, I do think you cool off in the short term for Hex. Also, yeah, kind of hard to find you guys levels here with this scammy. I don't know a lot about Hex, to be honest with you guys. I'm not calling Hex a scam. I'm just saying the price action looks kind of scammy. Not like the coin is a scam. It's just like weird price action is what I mean. All right, let's see. I mean, I don't know if Hex is a scam or not. I'm just saying. I don't know if any coin is a scam or not. I'm not saying they are or aren't. Anyway, ADA, we can take a look at ADA as well. But a nice level of support that you could look for here is about 0.029 cents. And that would be basically the level I'd watch. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at ADA. As we were looking at ADA yesterday, it wasn't looking too good. I tried to like the video exactly how Frankie told me to. Now I'm a registered offender. Haha. Whoops. Anyway, moving on to ADA. Let's take a look here. Drink some of this Aztecian Cactus Moss Agua. Looks like bullish consolidation to me. I bet you TradingView even sees that. Let's see. Let's pull up the bull pennant. Bull pennant detector. That's a bear pennant detector. We want a bull pennant detector. There we go. See if it pops up. Let's see. Bearish pennant. All right, not on the 1 minute, but this does look like bullish consolidation to me looking at the daily. Daily blood diamond is confirmed. Interesting. VWAP coming back to the upside. May print a green dot here on the daily. That's what I would watch for your next move up. 16 and 12-hour green dots are printing. 8-hour green dot is confirmed. Looking at your 4-hour money flow coming up, not too bad. Your 2-hour VWAP is coming down, kind of just binging bonging around here. Maybe looking to do, a little. Maybe looking for one of these, a little bing bong, potentially. But yeah, I would watch that daily green dot to print potential. All right, we just printed another green candle. Maybe we get a daily green dot tomorrow night. But again, same thing, guys. We got a pretty big move up. We could potentially kind of cool off or just consolidate, right? That's the key here. We may cool off. I would say, consolidation / bearish in the short term, right? And you do have somewhat of a bull pennant here. Let's go down to a lower time frame and get a better idea. Oh, there it is, right? Boom. There you go. TradingView finally calling for this. We'll call it that. Boom. Brings you right up to about 32 cents. If that plays out, I mean, it's a 10-minute bull pennant, so nothing crazy. You also have that local golden pocket at about 32 cents. Could potentially play out. But yeah, looking like potentially cool off or just continue to consolidate here. Just like a lot of these other things. A lot of these are all looking the same. Let's see. Rob, oh God, you guys are crazy. JM, he is not a psychiatrist. What is going on? Can you analyze people? Actually, yes, I can. I will say this. I've learned in my 30 years of life. I'm not a young guy. Like, I guess I'm a young guy, right? I'm not like an old dude, but I'm not 15, right? I've been around for 30 years. I will say this. One thing I've learned in my life on the note of analyzing people, I will say this. I am a much better judge of character than I would have originally thought. Anytime I meet somebody new and I'm like sussed out about them, some people will just be like, what do you mean? That's the nicest person I ever met. They're so cool. Why don't you like them? Like, I like them. I'm nice to them. But a lot of times, like, those first impressions for me, like, I could sense things right away. It's like, in the back of my head, if I'm like, I don't like that guy, like, I'm not mean to them, but like in my back, I'm like, they wouldn't know I don't like them. But like in the back of my head, I'm just like, I don't know. I don't like that guy. I don't trust him. And people are always just like, man, you got to open up a little bit. You got to open up a little bit. And then, like, down the line, they turn out to not be so great. And people are like, dang, dude, you knew it. And I like people a lot. I really do like people. So my instinct is to want to trust and like people. But I have learned that I have a pretty savage instant judge of character. Like when I meet someone and they're good, I know right away. I know right when I meet them. I go, this guy's good. And they always wind up being like lifelong, like good people and vice versa. Yeah. Watch out for people who don't make eye contact with you. Anyway, the older I get, the longer it takes to get the fib up. I should end the stream right here, guys. This is crazy. What are your thoughts on XRD's chart? I don't even know what that is, to be honest. Crypto Face going on debate. Crypto after Frankie's is finished and might stream after that. Let's go. Shout out to Metabice. Yeah, guys, go check out debate Crypto after. Well, how long have we been going for? We got 750 people in here, guys. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, where's Tyler? Did Tyler call for the stream for the spins yet? Rob the Crypto Snob said he pulled his fib out in public and he cannot recommend it. I would recommend not doing it in public as well. But yeah, guys, we are running out of time here, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up and start PeopleCoin. All right, I'll take one quick look at PeopleCoin. I don't know what the heck this is. Let's take a look at it. Oh, interesting. Let's look at this. Interesting. Coming up to some resistance. 2 hour. VWAP coming down. 1 hour. VWAP also coming down. No bear div. Looking at the lower time frames. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Seems pretty suspenseful. Let's see. Red dot. Okay. Money flow coming out on the 5 minute. 10 minute. Money flow coming out. 12 minute. 4 hour. 4 hour. Maybe looking to cool off. Interesting. I don't even know what this is. 6 hour green dot printing. 8 hour looking to print it. Daily looking to come back to the upside. Yeah, you're likely to get a little cool off here, right? We are coming up to resistance, right? I'll just draw this line here. You can see, right? We had a price stuck to this level, likely to get some form of reaction, whether we flip it and hold above or get rejected from it. Say it was support here, resistance there. Let's go to the daily and pull some. I'll give you some levels on this. This is, wild price action. I don't know what this is. Must have a low market cap. I don't even know where to pull the volume. Yeah, this thing is wild. I would say watch for your green dot on your daily for another significant move. This is hard to do. This is hard to look at. Let me pull it all the way from here. Yeah, support, I would watch 0.023 cents, and then your immediate resistance. I just watched the value very high at about 0.027 cents. But this one's kind of hard to analyze, I'll be honest. 15-minute red dot. I mean, you're likely to continue cooling off here. You don't have a bear div, but you do have a red dot. I would say likely to cool off here. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and pull up that wheel of pain and pleasure and go ahead and spin that wheel. I don't think we got 1,000 likes, guys, but smash that like button. Smash that like button if we get 1,000 likes by the end of the stream, which I can almost guarantee you will not happen because I don't think I would be blown away if everybody got us to 1,000. If we got to 1,000 likes in the next 7 minutes, that would be that would be mind blowing. If we hit 1,000 likes by the time I'm done spinning this wheel 5 times, I will give away a lot of money or a lot of merch or something. We'll give away something big. I heard about it from Crypto Liver, not trying to shill. What's with the shilling thing? I don't even know. EXRD, Ricky Bobby wants the EXRD. Let me go ahead and take a look here. EXRD. What is this thing? We got a lot of interesting coins here. Oh God, a lot of the scammy price action. Hey, let's see this measured move. Was this accurate? Let's see. Wow. That's a measured move, guys. That's a measured move. There you go. Anyway, money flow coming out on your 15-minute. Yeah, there you go. Oh, baby. Is that? Not really a bear div, technically. Yeah, this thing is kind of sketchy price action there. Neptune juice. Interesting. All right, taking a look at your daily VWAP on the way down. Likely you cool off here as we came up to some resistance. Pull out this local golden, this Loki golden. Maybe pull it to here. There you go. Local golden pocket could reject here. If you get another push up, look at that 786. But likely you cool off here with your 4-hour VWAP curving down, your 2-hour confirmed. There you go. 2-hour bear div. Obviously, that looks like it has probably played out. Let's see, 3-hour? 3-hour bear div confirmed, but VWAP coming back to the upside. This might get another push. I would watch that 786 at 0.05 cents for a potential another push to the upside before a rejection. But if you hold in there, you might kind of range around. I got to cut that one short. I'm sorry. We are running out of time, but shout out to Ricky. That one's for you, Ricky Bobby. And look at the wheel still spinning here. Wow, that's weird. Hey, Biomax in the chat. What is going on? Blue Punk Rocker said, I trusted a random guy on YouTube. Now I'm part of some secret society trading internet money, talking in code, VWAP flop, and diamond hands. Your fib on the 10-minute. What has my life become? Blue Punk Rocker, I think we might be in the same cult. Anyway, give them a giveaway, baby. Start off with a strong giveaway. Are we going to make our way to 1,000 likes, guys? On the count of 3, put your finger on your phone. Right by that like button. Hover your mouse right above that like button as well. I just gave you another giveaway. Hover your fingers and your mice above those like buttons, and on the count of 3, we're going to hit it and see if we can go from 619 all the way up to 703 likes in one burst. And we're going to go 3, 2, 1, like. Like on like. 3, 2, 1, like. We'll see. 702 is the number we're going for. 702. Spin number 3. Baby, my stomach, my abs are on fire from scream talking, guys. I don't know how I never lose my voice. I barely ever lose my voice. Gotta run, fam. Shout out to Bubba's Crypto. Thank you for being here, Bubba's. Have a great night. I love you, brother. Thank you for being here. No psychoanalyzing. Shout out to Lord Base. Give him another giveaway. We got a high hit rate this time. Look at this. 3 in a row. Bing bong. Smash the like. Almost at 702. 3 more likes coming from my alt accounts. Let's go, Blue Punk Rockers and OG. Let's go. Thanks, Frank. I appreciate you, Ricky Bobby. I'm sorry I cut that one short, man. Next coin that you put in, I will try to prioritize for you if I can remember. I will try to prioritize you because we are just running out of time. Info Social says, hello, bro. How are you? Info Social, what's going on, brother? Welcome into the chat. Show ABS. Like my anti-lock brakes. Guys are too funny. All right, here we go. What do we got? 649. We got one more spin, baby. Run it up to 702, baby. 702. Oh, God. My abs, guys. My abs. But it wouldn't be a Frankie Candles live stream. Guys, what if I talked like this? Nice. Nice. We got another giveaway. Cool. Nice. Should I give you guys an extra one? Let's see. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we got 5 giveaways out of 6. Let's see, 650 likes. Guys, let's try to get it up to 702. Let's try to get it up to 702 likes. Let's try. Come on. Oh, God. Hi. Guys, imagine that. I couldn't sit through that. I would fall asleep. Okay, one more. We'll give you guys one more. We got 650. Give them that 7th spin. Me and Frankie go back like 4 flats on a Cadillac. Let's go. Shout out to Lord Bass, Super OG. Let's get it. Another great stream, my boy. Appreciate you as usual. Shout out to Thesus. Thank you for being here, man. I know. Show abs. Bro, I'm so shot. I literally said my abs hurt. You said show abs. And then and I said ABS, like my anti-lock brake system. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Boats and hoes. Let's go. Shout out to Wick. Abs and calves. It's my new mixtape, guys. It's called Candles and Calves. Let's go. You guys are too funny. All right. That's it. What do we got for the mods? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 7 giveaways. 1. Let's get it. And then real quick, guys, I want to see if I can pull something up. Before we get going here, let me go ahead and pull up my face cam. And I'm going to see on this off topic, I want to see if I could find, let's see, somebody put in Gavi, I think it was. Put in a here we go. Gavi baby. Let's get it. Here we go. So Gavi said actually I don't know. I don't want to show this on okay. So Gavi, you guys can't even see my screen. Okay. So in the Discord, Gavi's asked me, I forget what he said. He said, do something or say something, and he'll write me a verse. And I want to read this to you guys because it's pretty funny. I don't know how. I'm not gonna rap it. I'm gonna read it because I don't know the beat. I don't know the flow. I'll have to talk to him. Maybe we can have it produced. Maybe we'll turn it into a song. But here are the lyrics. It says, "Green dot VWAP, bing bong, mic drop." Whoops. I guess that's an ad lib. So it's like green dot VWAP, bing bong, mic drop. Whoops. Anyway, gold diamond, no lion, charts going up to the top. Get saw, stop loss, hitting the take profits nonstop. Frankie handles these candles. We get the gold diamond wristwatch. Yellow X, what's next? Stop loss in profit. There's no sweat. Short sell, price fell. Stacking the sats with 10x. Leverage beverage. Everyone pause for the flex. Calf cam. God dang. Mafia fam is the best. Is the best. And big nods to the big mods, keeping the live chat in check. So be wise and subscribe. These hit the like, then hit the like you're a Yankee. Then hit the like you're a Yankee. No kickback and relax. I can't read, guys. Now kick back and relax. Come for the candles, but stay for the Frankie. Shout out. I read that. I'm sure I butchered that, how that was supposed to be read. But we're going to turn this into a song, guys. We're going to turn this into a song. Shout out to Gavi Baby. Gravy Baby. Gavi Baby. Gravy Baby. Shout out to you, bro. I appreciate the lyrics. I'm going to have to talk to our in-house producer. We actually do have a guy that turns random things into music. Sometimes I do my pre-records, and when I send them to the editor, I say funny things. Panda Storm, what is going on, Panda Storm? Thank you for being here. When I send my pre-records to the editors, sometimes I do funny things. Like I'll just won't realize I'm recording, and I'll just be singing a song. One time I was singing our intro song. Here we go. on the road. And we about to run it up. Yeah, you know, right? I was singing that just in my head, and they took it and they remixed it and they made it a pretty fire song. Maybe I'll pull it up and show you guys one day. But, guys, with all that being said, thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate it. We still got 632 people in here. Let's try to get us to 702 likes before the end of the stream or before I end the stream. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Guys, go check out Debate Crypto. They will be live right now. And I do forget to shout them out sometimes, but the chat loves them so much that they shout them out anyway. So thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate you guys more than you could possibly imagine. Waiting on that best TA personality belt, guys. I think it's coming in the mail. They had to ship them to us because they couldn't fly back with them. But we still have to like hold that up and celebrate. So yeah, we still got to tweet about it. It's gonna be a good time. But yeah, with all that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in tonight. There's a lot of things you could do with your time, but you chose to spend it with your boy Frankie Candles and even better, the Candle Mafia. With all that being said, guys, that's all the time I got for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time, 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right after ATB. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing, bang. Oh, this is awkward. This is awkward.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my hand ready. Used to hold myself back. My self-esteem getting better. Gotta keep on chill. Yeah. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Ain't inspired to get ahead. So bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them in their hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come on. Listen, paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking. Even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs.
Oh, you guys are gonna like this one. Oh, God, here's a Frankie fake out that you guys are going to love. Let me see if you guys can hear this. I think you can. Okay. All right, guys, hang on. Real quick, Frankie fake out here. I can't show you the actual video, but it's just me on this set. We're doing a pre-record, but it's before I actually started the video, and I was just kind of singing my song in my head, and here it is. Here we go. On the road, and it's about to run it up. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Here we go. Oh, God, I hope that doesn't end up in Slack. So I think you guys could hear that. That was just me here just kind of like getting ready for my video, singing the song, saying, oh, I hope that doesn't wind up in the group chat. And it did. It wound up in the group Slack. And our boy Adam at the office turned it into a complete banger. Take a listen to this. Here we go. On the road. And it's about to run it up. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. On the road. And it's about to run it up. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. On the road, and it's about to run it up. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Here we go. Here we go. Well, there you go, guys. That was super embarrassing. But I'm just saying, we might be able to turn that rap into a pretty dope song with the help of Adam from The Office. That's all the time I got for tonight, guys. I'll see you tomorrow night. 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong. Oh. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bing bong.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. so bad, my self-esteem getting better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Ain't inspired to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them in their hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, but I'm better than them. This is my ship. I'ma jack it like let 'em in. Y'all but not let 'em in. They gon' rotate it, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element, yeah. Say you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my brain. Watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The clutch down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem getting better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Ain't inspired to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them in their hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, but I'm better than them. This is my ship. I'ma jack it like let 'em in. Y'all but not let 'em in. They gon' rotate it, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element, yeah. Say you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my brain. Watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The clutch down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my